everyone, and welcome to Health Prudent. Today we're going to go over 10 incredible benefits of drinking warm lemon water every morning. Before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss it when we upload new videos. And make sure to watch until the end to discover why drinking warm lemon water every morning really is so incredible. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. Lemon water could be incredibly helpful to your health in a lot of different ways. If you can make a habit of drinking warm lemon water in the morning, this will be a great help to boost your immune system, keep you hydrated, and much more. First of all, let's check what vitamins and nutrients lemon contain. Lemons are full of vitamin C, also contain vitamins B1, B2, B5, and B6, as well as calcium, copper, iron, and potassium. Lemons also contain a significant amount of dietary fiber. Lemon has a strong acidic taste to it, and taking it straight could be damaging to the enamel of your teeth. That's why when you want to have lemon juice, please make sure you mix it with water. Especially with warm water is highly recommended. To get the best out of lemon juice, have it first thing in the morning at least 20 to 30 minutes before having breakfast. So how to make warm lemon water? To prepare warm lemon water, just add the juice or slices of lemon in the warm water. You can mix it with other natural ingredients like mint if you desire. Now let's talk about some incredible health benefits of drinking warm lemon water in the morning. Number 1. Boosting the immune system. Vitamin C helps produce white blood cells, which then protect the function of immune cells in your body. Also, vitamin C helps protect leukocytes, which produce a significant amount of antiviral substances in the body. As lemon has plenty of vitamin C, which plays a significant role in boosting your immune system, in turn, this helps your body fight off any infection completely. Especially warm lemon water is a super effective way to reduce viral infections and sore throats. Number 2. Heart health. Vitamin C helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. People with enough vitamin C levels in their plasma have very fewer rates of heart disease. Because vitamin C is an antioxidant, it helps the body by protecting against dangerous free radicals. It also lowers bad cholesterol and keeps arteries flexible. Number 3. Kidney stones. Kidney stones mainly develop because of dehydration. Making a habit of drinking lemon water will help you flush out all unnecessary painful deposits from developing in your kidney. Lemon contains enough citric acid to help people suffering from kidney stones. Citric acid deters stone formation and also breaks up small stones that are forming. Number 4. Helps digestion. Indigestion, mainly by symptoms of heartburn and bloating, can be very uncomfortable. Lemon water helps to flush out toxins in the body, cleanse the liver, and improve digestion. drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning aids in regulating natural bowel movement. Number 5. Keeps hydrated. If you are one of those people who find water boring or do not enjoy the taste, especially first thing in the morning, then adding lemon to warm water could be more appealing to you. Most of the people usually wake up a bit dehydrated in the morning, so making a habit of drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning along with other benefits will help you drink more and keeps you hydrated as it provides electrolytes to your body. Number 6. Increases potassium level. Though we actually think about bananas when it comes to source of potassium, interestingly, lemons are a good source as well. Potassium plays a significant role in flawless cell function, metabolism, and nerve signals. Number 7. Helps dental health. Warm lemon water is good for dental health as it helps with a toothache and prevents inflammation of the gums. Also, the citric acid in lemon prevents the growth of odor, causing bacteria in your mouth, which in turn leads to fresher breath. Number 8. Healthy skin complexion. Vitamin C in lemon juice plays a very important role in the formation of collagen, the support system of the skin. Also, the antioxidants in lemon juice help reduce wrinkles, and as it flushes out bad toxins of the body, it helps your skin glowing. Number 9. Boost energy. Lemon juice boosts your body energy when it goes into our digestive system. It also plays a significant role in reducing anxiety, depression, and stress. Number 10. Prevent cancer. As mentioned earlier, lemon juice is a superb source of the antioxidant vitamin C, and antioxidants may help restrict free dangerous radicals from causing cell damage in the body that can lead to cancer. Along with the list of benefits of taking warm lemon water in the morning, there are a lot of other health benefits like lowering stroke risk, blood pressure, preventing asthma, weight loss, and the list goes on. So, making a habit of drinking warm lemon water first thing in the morning could change your life incredibly. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this helps you a ton. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss more videos of health, wellness, homemade remedies, and much more. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay healthier.